students, in this video I am going to do numericals from textbook exercise. I am not going to write the questions here. I will read the question. That exercise question number 4. Certain force acting on a 20 kilogram mass changes its velocity from 5 meter per second to 2 meter per second. Calculate the work done by the force. Okay, here the velocity is changing from 5 meter per second to 2 meter per second. So here we have to find the work done for that change in velocity. So children, you know work done is equal to change in kinetic energy, final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. Half m v square minus half m u square. This we can write as half m into v square minus u square. Then substitute the values half into 20 into 2 square minus 5 square. 2 and 20 we can cancel. We will get 10 into 2 square 4 minus 5 square 25. Now 10 into 4 minus 25 minus 21. You will get this as minus 210 joule. Then children, here we are getting this minus sign, but the magnitude of work done you can write as 210 joule. Question number 9. A certain household has consumed 250 units of energy during a month. How much energy is this in joules? Children, here we have to convert 250 units of energy into joules. Here the energy is given in units, 250 units. We have to convert that into joule. You know, unit means what? Kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. So here 25 into, here 10 there, 10 into 3.6, 36 into 10 raised to 6, 900 into 10 raised to 6, that is equal to 9 into 10 raised to 8 joules. 250 units is equal to 9 into 10 raised to 8 joule. Next question, question number 10. An object of mass 40 kilogram is raised to a height of 5 meter above the ground. What is its potential energy if the object is allowed to fall? Find its kinetic energy and when it is halfway down. Listen children, here an object having mass 40 kilogram is raised to a height of 5 meters. Okay, acceleration due to gravity also given here. Here, after raising that, we have to find the potential energy of that object. Potential energy we can find that is equal to mgh 40 into 5 into 10. That is equal to 2000 joule. Now, that object is at that height, no? That's only the total energy of that object will be its potential energy. So, here we can write total energy is equal to 2000 joule. Then what we have to find? The object is falling down. Here we have to find if that is at the halfway down at h by 2. What will be the potential energy? What will be the kinetic energy we have to find? So children, we can one method there we can find that kinetic energy by using that law of conservation of energy. So here, if it is halfway down, we can take h is equal to h by 2. No need to substitute the value there. Why means here the potential energy is equal to, that equation is mgh. But that height becomes h by 2 means that equation will be mgh divided by 2. So, mgh you know that is 2000. 2000 divided by 2 that is equal to 1000 joule. That is the potential energy. But you know total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. So what will be the kinetic energy? Total energy minus potential energy, 2000 minus 1000, that is equal to 1000 joule. Question number 14. An electric heater is rated 1500 watt. How much energy does it use in 10 hours? Here children, we have to find the electric energy consumed by that electric heater. So we can find that in units. Here power is given as 1500 watt. If you are going to find that in units, you have to express that in kilowatt hour. So we need to convert that watt into kilowatt. 1500 by 1000, 1.5 kilowatt, time 10 hours. Then energy is equal to P into T, power into time, power in kilowatt into time in hour, 1.5 into 10, 15 kilowatt hour, that is equal to 15 units. Children, if you need to find that in joules also you can find, no problem. Question number 17. Calculate the work required to be done to stop a car of 1500 kg moving at a velocity of 60 km per hour. Okay children, here mass is given as 1500 kg, initial velocity 60 km per hour. We have to convert that into meter per second into 5 by 18. We will get 16.67 meter per second. Its final velocity is equal to 0. Work done is equal to half m into v square minus u square. You know work energy theorem. Work done is equal to change in kinetic energy, half m v square minus half m u square. We can write this as half m into v square minus u square. Then substitute the values, half into 1500 into 0 minus 16.67 square. Then 750 into minus 16.67 square. This we can write as minus 750 into 16.67 square. You will get this as minus 2.08 into 10 raised to 5 joules. Question number 20. Last question. Find the energy in kilowatt hour consumed in 10 hours by 4 devices of power 500 watt each. Okay children, here time is equal to 10 hours. Power of the device is equal to 0.5 kilowatt. 500 watt we have to convert into kilowatt, 0.5 kilowatt. But how many devices here? 4 devices there. So what is the energy? We have to find the total energy consumed by all these devices. So energy is equal to power into time into number of devices. So 0.5 into 10 into 4. 20 kilowatt hour. That is the total energy consumed by that 4 devices. Okay children, thank you.